Hi there, Melody from WTI. Oh my goodness, check out these really cool app plugs from EIGHTREE. I'm very super impressed with them. First of all, I'm no tech guru, so these were super easy to install. The app that you have to download, it gives you step-by-step directions on how to do it. And after the first plug is set up, the other ones just basically search for it and attach to it. This is the set of 4. They are so cool. I didn't even realize that I needed them, but I do, and so do you. Picture coming home late at night and it's dark in the house. Alexa, turn on living room light. Alexa, turn on bed light. Alexa, turn on lava lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off lava lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on desk lights. It's done. It's turned on. It's in, oh, see, she listened. You can put appliances set up on here as well. You can also set these up to have timers. So from dusk to dawn, a few hours after something's been turned on, like your air purifier, different things like that. These are a need before you even realize you did. Like me, same thing. Anyways, if you were wondering about these, totally cool and totally worth it. That's my point of view.